Hi students, it's Ms. Schaefer. Today we're going to be playing De Colores on your ukulele, and the three chords you're going to need are G. Then you take that finger off and jump these two up and you get D7, and the last chord you're going to need, of course, is C, right there in the third fret. Okay, so start with your G. De Colores is in 3/4 time, which means there's 3 beats in each measure and a quarter note gets a beat. So basically, instead of counting like 1, 2, 3, 4, we count 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. The first beat is a rest. So we palm mute it or we don't play it. Palm muting helps you have a sense of silence in your body. So when you do this, you go on beat 1, you just put your hand down. You can do it as a palm or as a fist or a palm. Either way, it works just fine. Okay, 1, ready, and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. De colores, de colores se visten los campos en la prima. Now here on the word vera is where you're going to switch. You're going to take your ring finger off and switch from G up to D7. So when you get to vera, you'll tap on the word vera, vera. So that's how you know what time to change your chord. Okay, so let's do it again. This time I won't stop. Okay, everybody get ready to play with me. 1, ready, and de colores se visten los campos en la primavera. De colores son los pajarillos que vienen de fuera. De colores es el arco iris que vemos lucir. Y por eso los grandes amores de muchos colores me gustan a mí. Y por eso los grandes amores de muchos colores me gustan a mí. Now before I do the second verse, I want you to have the song sheet in front of you, and you'll notice that whenever you're singing, you still sing on the rest as you're changing chords. So you've got to get all that together, okay? So with the second verse, I won't stop. You'll notice there's a lot of switching from C to G to D7 back to G. So most of the time, the switching from G to D7 is really easy, and then down to C. So even when you're at D7, going to C is easy. You just remember that red dot. Okay. Second verse.